What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today is going to be a short little video, and we're going to talk about Rewardland. And I'm going to show you guys a cash out, and I'm going to tell you guys some tips and tricks that's going to help you guys earn a little bit more and earn a little bit faster. So, with that being said, let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? So if you're watching this, it means that you made it to the second part of the Rewardland video. Now, if you're new and you're just now seeing this and you're just now seeing my videos, I go by Devin to the Vine. I make videos and music and all types of things. And so I make videos about apps that help you earn a little bit money and help you save money a little bit, and that's basically what I do. So with Rewardland, it is an app where you play games. They reward you coins for playing games, and then you take the coins and then you redeem them for cash or gift cards. So for today, I'm going to show you guys me cashing out and the gift card that I chose, and we're going to talk about a little bit of tips and tricks to help you guys earn faster. That way you guys can cash out too. So as dumb as this may sound, I just literally deleted the 34-second phone recording of me cashing out with the app. And I had just recorded this the other day after recording the first Rewardland video. And then today I go to make this video and I'm trying to make room for more videos, and I accidentally deleted the short clip. So I got some pictures to share along the way and show you guys what the cash out looks like. And then we're going to talk about the tips and tricks. So somewhere on the screen, maybe here and here, are going to be some pictures of me cashing out, and I did receive an Amazon gift card for $5, and it did work. So I'm going to share some screenshots of the emails and Amazon and show you that I did get it, and then that it did work. So it's kind of a quick earning if you do these tips and tricks that we are about to talk about. Alrighty, so the tips and tricks to help everybody earn faster and earn more with Rewardland is basically what I found out is finding games that pay out a lot, or finding games where all you have to do is reach a level, or find Richie slots and just earn money on Richie slots, and then they give you coins on Rewardland for doing that. And so that's what helped me really get to the cash out goal. And also I downloaded like 3 different games. I played these 3 different games up until the point where I was able to cash out. And these games have good high paying out coin payouts. So cash out was pretty fast and easy. So what I recommend everybody does is find 2 to 3 games that you like on Rewardland and just play those 2 to 3 games quite a bit. And it only took me like 2 days to reach the cash out. So if you find 3 games that you really like to play, they have high payouts, play those games for 2 days and you should have a $5 cash out on Rewardland. That being said, thank you guys for tuning in today to this video. If this helped you, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys for liking my videos. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see every single one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.